Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company at Tottenham, South Birmingham. Very clean this, so it's a Land Rover Discovery 4, it's a 3 litre SD V6 SE Tech automatic 4-wheel drive. As you can see, it's a 2015, it's done 80,500 miles from new. It's got very good service history and it had the CAMBEL replaced. It's had it replaced twice. Once by an independent at 60,000 miles and then by Land Rover at 70,000 miles. But it's got history at 10, 17, 26, 63, 70 and 76. Side steps make it look very nice. SE Tech, so it's got front arc sensors, front fog lamps, daytime LED running lights, it's got headlamp washers, privacy glass, it's got black roof rails, it's got heated black leather seats. Obviously it's a 7-seater. Very nice bodywork, nice and clean inside. Alloys are in good condition, brake discs look nice. Paintwork inside is very nice. Front, it's not stone chipped or tatty in any way. Inside, it's got the Land Rover fitted rubber mats. It's got the Meridian Hi-Fi, leather seats, heated seats, electric seats, front armrests. Nice leather multifunction steering wheel, obviously with cruise control and paddle change and controls for your phone, etc. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Heated seat buttons are down there, climate control, there's all your terrain response, and on-road, off-road, sort of snow, ice, gravel, sand, that sort of thing. Electronic handbrake. Electric windows, electric mirrors, obviously. Nice and clean in the back. Also got the rubber mats in. If I can show you through to the 6th and 7th seat, they're in there. The headrests are folded down, but the load cover is there as well. Full-size spare wheel under the back. Show you in the boot area. Nice and clean. Should be. Down there, there's the 6th and 7th seat. This side of the car, yeah, very nice. Original, clean, tidy, not dented and scratched or tatty. Nice straight vehicle that's been looked after. Cooper Discovery tyres all round, quite like those. Side steps are in lovely condition, not tatty or rotten or falling off. Wheels, those front discs look very new. All in good shape. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors. Leather on the driver's seat, in very good condition. Automatic lights, got voice control on the steering wheel. 80,641 miles. Sat nav's on the screen. All nice and clean. The price of this vehicle is £16,495. Drives really well. Had the CAMBEL done. That's serviced at 76,000, now done 80,000. MOT'd until the 20th of January 2027, so a year's MOT with no advisories. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. There's probably more than one Discovery on there. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those, there'll be quite a lot of discoveries for you to look at. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that vehicle. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.